Hey guys, I'm sharing with you my January Boxy Charm. So this box costs $22 a month and it's a monthly subscription. The total value of this month's box is $144 and the theme is Rock 2018. So you get 5 full-size products if you don't know about Boxy Charm every single month, valued at usually from $90 to over $100. These are the prices of all the products that are in the box. So the first item is this Glam Metals by Pur Cosmetics, and is just a eyeshadow palette here with 9 shadows. It comes with this really cute guitar mirror on top, and here are all the shadows. So the next item is this Pur Cosmetics Bronze and Brightener Palette, and it retails for $34. I love this. It's a blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer. It's really nice and buttery and super pigmented. So the third item is this Girlactic Matte Lip Paint, and it retails for $23. The fourth item is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and it retails for $38. And then the last item is this It Cosmetics Brow Power, and this retails for $24. It's a universal eyebrow pencil, it says, but this color is not dark enough for my eyebrows. It does say the lighter stroke, if you want a darker color to just kind of press harder on the pen, which I'll show you here. Here's the lighter strokes, and then the next one I'm going to push harder, but it's still not dark enough for my eyebrow colors. My eyebrows are really dark, so just this doesn't work for me. So in this picture, I do have the Wild Thing on my eyelid and Rebel underneath my lower eyelashes. I have the bronzer, the highlighter, and the blush on, and the lipstick, and I really do love all of them except for the eyebrow pencil, which I couldn't use. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Boxy Charm. I'm going to leave you the link in the description bar. If you've never signed up for Boxy Charm and you want to, hit that link and you can sign up and get you your $22 monthly subscription. It's awesome.